Hey there, friends! Welcome back to our fun learning adventure. Today, we will explore a foundational mathematical strategy called making 10 using a 10 frame. The 10 frame helps us see numbers in a structured way and builds a strong foundation for understanding place value and odd and even numbers. Let's get started. A 10 frame is a simple grid with 2 rows of 5 squares each. By placing counters, like little circles, inside these boxes, we can see how many we have, how many empty squares, and how close we are to making 10. According to the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics, 10-frame tiles show a unique picture for each number. By showing each quantity in relation to 10, they provide the foundation for place value concepts. The 10-frame model shows 0. It also shows the attributes of odd and even. Today's learning objective is to build number facts using 10 frames. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to apply their understanding of number relationships to solve addition problems involving sums of 10 by identifying missing numbers. Represent number relationships visually using models like the part-whole cherry diagram. Let's start with this example. 2 plus what number makes 10? First, fill the 10 frame with 2 counters. Now, count the number of empty squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 empty squares, so 2 plus 8 equals 10. We can also represent this using the part-whole cherry model. We have 10 as the whole, and the parts are 2 and 8. If you're curious about the part-whole cherry model, check out our video explaining it in detail. The link for this video is in the description below. Let's try another one. 4 plus what number makes 10? Fill the 10 frame with 4 counters. Count the empty squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 empty squares, so 4 plus 6 equals 10. And here's the cherry model representation. 10 is the whole and 4 and 6 are parts. Here's a challenge for you. Pause the video and figure out 7 plus what number makes 10? Got it? Let's check your answer together. Start by filling the 10 frame with 7 counters. Count the empty squares. 1, 2, 3. 3 empty squares means 7 plus 3 equals 10. Let's pop this into the cherry model. 10 is the whole and 7 and 3 are parts. Last example for now, 9 plus. What number makes 10? Pause the video and try it for yourself. All right, let's check your answer. Fill the 10 frame with 9 counters. Count the empty squares. 1. Just 1 empty square. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. And here it is in the cherry model. 10 is the whole and 9 and 1 are parts. Great job following along with today's lesson. Now, let's put your understanding of making 10 to the test. Mr. Khalid bought 10 hazelnut chocolates to share between his 3 grandchildren. Ali received 4 chocolates, and Mahmoud got 3 chocolates. How many chocolates does Sarah get? Great job, everyone. Now you know how to make 10 using a 10 frame and how it connects to real-life situations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on more fun learning videos. See you next time.